Welcome to this demonstration on medication of globules in large scale. Let's begin with the aim. To properly medicate globules in large scale so they can retain medicinal properties for future use. For this procedure, we need globules of the required size, clean vials with corks, the selected medicine, blotting paper, porcelain bowl. First, we check and arrange all materials. Next, take a clean porcelain bowl and fill about 2/3 of it with globules. Add just enough medicine to moisten the globules and allow it to be soaked for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, to drain the excess quantity of medicine, spread the globules on clean blotting paper and allow them to dry completely. Once dried, transfer them into clean vials, cork tightly, and label it with name and potency of medicine. Medicated globules are widely used by physicians for administering remedies and preserving medicines. This completes the procedure of medicating globules in large scale. Thank you for watching.